G'day. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We've got this Rubik's Cube and you can see it's got a supercharger on it. But you can see it's all messed up. All the colours are all over the place. We've got this one sent in by Lenstar1. So we'll just show you how a mechanic fixes the supercharged Rubik's Cube. Now, good idea while you've got it up on the hoist is just check unis, rear diff, centre bearing, any oil leaks that might be present. You can see it there. The colours are all out of whack. Good idea to check for any oil leaks or any loose wires or anything that's gone amiss. But you can see this one, colours are all over the place. I've got it out of the car. If you want to check out how we remove it from the car, I'll put that up in another video. But anyway, we need a few special tools, and the way to get them apart, just pivot that there and you can just pull that out like that, and basically it all just comes apart quite easily then. Oh, there you go, it's all coming to bits. There we go. Now to get them back together, you've got to actually find the colours that are matching. There you go, you got your green and your blue. So we put that in there, slide it in. A little bit tricky till we get it started. There you go, we've got the first one on. Now we've got to find the blue and the white one. Where we got the blue and the white one. There we go, blue and the white one. And you always want to just make sure that the colours are matching. You don't want to put it that way. So that's wrong. You want to put it that way. There we go. A bit loose, that one. Whole thing's bloody loose. Yep. Alright. Move on to the next one. We'll go the red and the green. Bloody dunny budgie here, buzzing around. Red and white now. Where's the red and the white one? There we go. Red and the white one. Now you can see I nearly put it the wrong way. You want to make sure you're matching the red with the red. There we go. We just slop that into there. Be careful it all doesn't come apart on you now that you're starting to put it back together. You can see it nearly did. Flip it around. Now we're on the orange. Now if you're colourblind, you're going to have a bit of trouble distinguishing between the red and the orange. We got blue. You can see it's had a hard life. It's a little bit worn there on the blue and the orange. There we go, slip that in there. Now we're going to start plonking these in. So now we've got to match three colours. We've got the red, blue and white. Red, blue and white. Here we go. A little bit tricky. Now we've got green, blue and red. Green, blue and red. There we go. Click that in there. Now comes the tricky bit. We need blue and red. Where's blue and red? There we go. And it just clicks in like that. There you go. Just going to follow around. Now we need blue, orange and white. Blue, orange, no, wrong one. Blue, orange and white. There you go. Orange and white. Now we're looking for blue, green and orange. Blue, green and orange. Here we go. Starting to get tricky now. Now orange and green. Orange and green. There we go. Oh, nearly put it in the wrong way again. You can see how that's taking shape now. Now this one here is this broken one. Yellow. That just sits on there like that. So that one will go in last. You can see it's got the broken bits off it. I've taken the bolt out of it. But what we need, green, yellow and red. Here we go. Green, yellow, red. Where's yellow? Up that way. Yep. So that one goes in there. Then we've got yellow, green, and orange. Now we need yellow and orange. I mean yellow and green. I'm getting confused here. Where's yellow and green? Here you go. Goes in there. Yellow, red, and white. Yellow, red, and white. Yellow, red, and white. No, not that one. Not that one. Yellow, red, and white. There we go. Yellow and white. What's that one? Orange, white, and yellow. Orange, white, and yellow. There you go. That's that one. Put that in there. And we've got yellow and orange, red and yellow. And look at that. Ta-da! All done. Now putting this back in the car is just a reverse of how we took it out. But you can see that is all back together. All the colours are linked up. If you like, sometimes we put a bit of full synthetic fluid on these and they wriggle around a lot easier and quicker. Anyway, I hope that's helped. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions in the section below. Buy me a beer if any of this information has helped. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.